Welcome to Aizan Lessons. Here you'll find kids' stories from so much and more for the child journey. Thank you for being here.
This is Sparrow, a small brown bird that lives near houses and jumps around making cheerful sounds. This is Parrot, a green or colorful bird with a curved beak can copy human voices. Ping. Parrots eat fruits and seeds. This is Pigeon, a soft gray bird that builds nests and says cuckoo while eating grains. This is a hummingbird. It drinks nectar with its long beak, flaps its wings so fast, and can fly backward. This is a Myna. It is a medium-sized brown and black bird with a yellow beak and legs. It lives in groups. Ducks are web-footed waterfowl known for their flat bills and ability to swim, fly, and walk. A chicken is a common domesticated bird, raised globally for meat and eggs. This is Peacock. The male opens its big tail and dances, and it is India's national bird. Flamingos are iconic long-legged wading birds with S-shaped necks and unique downward bending bills. Swans are large, graceful waterfowl known for strong pair bonds found globally near lakes and rivers. Vultures are large scavenging birds of prey essential for cleaning ecosystems by eating dead animals. Eagles are powerful, incredible vision used to hunt live prey like fish and small mammals. The ostrich is the world's largest and heaviest bird. Native to Africa, known for speedy runners, and they lay the biggest eggs of any land animal. Over 10,000 bird species exist. The bee hummingbird is the smallest and the ostrich is the largest. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye. Bye.